We shouldn't ignore that sometimes characters tend to have a lot of imperfections, and I guess that's exactly what makes a reader connect with them. I am an odd human being. मैं totally two different characters को same page पर ला सकती हूँ. That's just the way I am. लेकिन मेरी इसमें कोई गलती नहीं है. कुछ characters same spot deserve करते हैं. हर character में कोई ना कोई imperfection है, which gives life to the characters. क्योंकि अगर सब कुछ rainbows and sunshine होगा तो उनके साथ relate करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fatima and I review books on this channel. Today's video is going to be something different क्योंकि आज मैं उर्दू novels के male characters को rank करूंगी. I have so far read 7 उर्दू novels, तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना characters को भी rank किया जाए. और मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैंने ये rankings ऐसे की हैं based on how these characters made me feel at a particular point in life and which characters made me feel more connected to them. मैं जब भी कोई book read करती हूँ तो मैं उस book को purely उसकी vibe से judge करती हूँ और इस चीज़ से कि उस book/character ने मुझे कैसे feel करवाया. Especially on my bad days, क्योंकि मैं फील करती हूँ कि हाँ इस बुक ने मुझे comfort provide किया when everything around me was going bad. I deeply connect with the books and characters. I hope you guys understand कि मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ. क्या मैं आप लोग से connect कर पा रही हूँ या नहीं? Let me know in the comments below and let me know अगर आप भी मेरी तरह feel करते हैं या नहीं. And if you want a video on the female characters that I've read so far in Urdu novels, then let me know. मैं उसके ऊपर भी ज़रूर वीडियो बनाऊँगी. Wow, मैं आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही बोल रही हूँ. Sorry guys, let's just get on into the video. So the books that I've got with me today are Azazil by Rabia Khan, which comprises of the characters Xavier Sultan and Haram Arabi. Dear Kamil and Abi Khayat, written by Umaira Ahmed, which has Salar Sikandar in it. Carb Time by Rabia Khan, which has Yasser Alam in it. Guys, I finally got my hands on the published book. जब मैंने ये book read की थी तब ये paperback form में नहीं थी and now it is. And can you please take a moment to appreciate the book cover? Just look at this. It's such a cute book cover of Carb Time. जैसी book है वैसा ही book cover है इस book का. Next we have जन्नत के पते by Nimra Ahmed, जिसका character है जिहान सिकंदर. Yusra Yusra by Husna Hussain, which has the character Faris Wajdan. ये book भी finally paperback form में आ गई है. मैंने order की है but I did not receive it before making this video. लेकिन उस book का भी cover मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. I can't wait to get my hands on it and add it to my collection. Final book है Basil, which is written by Huma Waqas, जिसका character है Duran Malik. This book has not been published yet in paperback form, और जब ये book publish होगी तो surely मैं इसको भी अपनी collection में add कर दूंगी. Books को read करके उसको अपनी collection में add करना is what causes me ultimate happiness. Now that I've introduced the books and the characters in them, let's start ranking each one of them. I don't think मेरे लिए इतना मुश्किल था select करना कि first number पे कौन सा character होगा because it was so obvious. Salar Sikandar. I think आप सब लोग मेरी इस बात से agree करेंगे because he deserves to be in the first place. He literally owns that spot. His sheer honesty and entire personality makes him the most desirable character ever. मुझे सलार उसकी transformation से पहले भी अच्छा लगा था and obviously he was admirable after his major transition, especially in Abe Hayat. उसका character बहुत ही soothing, peaceful and incredibly classy था. Classy investigative men are rare, so it feels good to read about a character that depicts that. I think काफी तारीफ हो गई है सलार की, so let's move on to the second number. क्योंकि अगर मैं अभी move on नहीं हुई, so मैं पूरी video सलार के ऊपर बना सकती हूँ. The characters that I decided to keep on second number might be slightly surprising for you guys, but it is what it is क्योंकि इन characters ने मुझे बहुत अच्छा feel करवाया. And I'm saying characters because this is going to be a dual ranking. So the first character that we have is Yasser Alam and then Faris Wajdan. Faris Wajdan was the first character that I read about. अगर आप लोगों ने मेरी पहली वीडियो देखी है तो वो थी युसरी युसरा वाली. I'm a bit biased towards Faris क्योंकि वो मेरा पहला character था. And I know that there are a few readers that claim that Faris was a red flag. लेकिन मेरी opinion थोड़ी सी differ करती है इस बात से क्योंकि Faris एक grey character था. He wasn't written as a pure green flag and he had his imperfection. लेकिन इसका ये मतलब बिल्कुल नहीं है कि मैं उसके wrong actions को justify कर रही हूँ. जहाँ वो गलत था वहाँ वो गलत गलत था, but we cannot ignore the fact that Faris was a major survival. Whatever happened with him in his life in the past, it was one of the most heart-wrenching things that I've read. And I think because I was reading him for the first time and because that was my first novel, I think it made me feel a lot sadder than it should have. So I think that based on the fact that he was a survival, we shouldn't ignore that sometimes characters tend to have a lot of imperfections. And I guess that's exactly what makes a reader connect with them, because he had issues. But regardless of that, he still managed to capture attention. And I just think that he was really posh, especially the way he carried himself with such an elegant and polished manner made him stand out. हर कैरेक्टर में कोई ना कोई इम्परफेक्शन है which gives life to the characters. क्योंकि अगर सब कुछ रेनबोज एंड सनशाइन होगा तो उनके साथ रिलेट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक कि मेरी लिस्ट पे नंबर 2 पे वो बिलोंग करता है. दूसरा कैरेक्टर सेकंड पे था यासिर आलम, एंड द रीजन फॉर दैट इज बिकॉज ही वाज अ जेंटलमैन, अ टोटल ऑपोजिट ऑफ फारिस, बट स्टिल ही मैनेज्ड टू रिजर्व द सेकंड प्लेस. He had the perfect protective instincts in him, and just overall वो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. काफ़ी thoughtful था वो. Couldn't choose between these two characters, तो मैंने सोचा कि दोनों को ही second place पे रख देते हैं. Moving on to the third spot, which is occupied by Jihan Sikandar and Xavier Sultan. सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं क्यों डुअल रैंकिंग्स कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मेरी इसमें कोई गलती नहीं है. कुछ कैरेक्टर्स सेम स्पॉट डिजर्व करते हैं. जिहान वॉज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर और उसकी सटल पर्सनैलिटी उसको और भी मिस्टीरियस बनाती थी. एट टाइम्स इट गॉट अनोइंग द वे ही यूज टू ब्लेंड एवरीथिंग इनटू अ रिडल, लेकिन उसमें भी एक चार्म था. और जिहान का सबसे अट्रैक्टिव रोल मुझे ARP का लगा, एंड देन मेजर अहमद. द ओनली कैरेक्टर दैट प्लेड 4 roles, he definitely sits well at the third place. Xavier Sultan is from my recent read, and I still recall things about him from the book, which shows just how much I liked him. अगर आपने मेरा अज़ाज़ील का रिव्यू देखा है, so you would know that it was mostly dedicated to Xavier. और मुझे पता है कि आप सबको बहुत odd लगेगा that I chose to have Xavier with Jihan, लेकिन मैं क्या करूँ? I am an odd human being. मैं totally 2 different characters को same page पर ला सकती हूँ. That's just the way I am. I'm very curious to know कि आप लोग किस कैरेक्टर को क्या रैंक करते हैं. सो प्लीज़ कमेंट में ज़रूर मुझे बताना कि आपकी रैंकिंग्स क्या हैं. आई विल बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ऑल ऑफ योर कमेंट्स. फाइनली लास्ट 2 रैंकिंग्स पे पहुंच गए हैं और 4th पे है हरम औरबी. आई थिंक दिस वाज क्वाइट एविडेंट. हरम एक बहुत ही अच्छा कैरेक्टर था. A mastermind, actually. He had the ideal amount of everything good in him. I'm aware that 90% of the readers prefer Haram over Xavier, and they're right. They should. Character that we got on the last and 5th rank is Duran Malik. Don't get me wrong, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि मुझे दुरान अच्छा नहीं लगा. In fact, I liked his character a lot. लेकिन मसला ये है कि हमारे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. अगर मेरे पास ऑप्शन होता, so I would have kept him on 4th with Haram, but we already got 2 dual rankings, तो थोड़ा unfair हो जाता. Morvakas has written Duran's character really well. He is worth praising. And if you guys haven't read Basil yet, then please go and read it. I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy that book. And that is all. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back with another video soon. Till then, goodbye. Bye.